I'm Fabian from SmartBuyGlasses, and today for you I've got a special pair of Ray-Ban sunglasses, and we're going to do a little bit of an unboxing and try it on and see what it looks like on the human face. Now, as we know, the Ray-Ban aviators became really famous thanks to Tom Cruise in the film Top Gun, and since then Ray-Ban has been creating some of the most iconic pieces of eyewear that is available today, and we're going to check these ones out. So these ones that I've got here are the Ray-Ban RB3545 with polarized lenses. And what makes these lenses really special are the fact that they're polarized. So of course they're 100% UV protected, but they also protect against glare, not just intense sunlight. So rest assured, whatever you're doing outside, whatever the light condition is, you will see crystal clear with these. Just to try them on. This is what they look like. Very lightweight. You don't really feel like you're wearing anything on your face. As you can see, this pair comes in a black metal round frame, which really suit people with longer, square faces. And even with these bright studio lights, I see no glare. So if you're a fan of Ray-Ban and you love these glasses, then make sure to check out the link below and get yours today. And I will see you next time for the next review.